Hi everybody, I'm Dewli. Welcome to my channel, as you know, Nature Kids. Today we're going to discuss another interesting topic in history, that is ancient civilizations in the world. I have separated the lesson into two parts. In this video, we're going to discuss only part 1. Please make sure to watch my second video. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the lesson. Now let's see the topics we have in today's lesson. Origin of civilizations, expansion of civilization and its conquest benefits to the world, Mesopotamian civilization, Indo-River Valley civilization, Egyptian civilization, also known as Nile River civilization. We will only be discussing a few today. In the part 2, we will discuss the rest. So, what is this so called civilization? Civilization is a society where people live together in organized communities, build cities, create systems of government, develop technology, and have shared culture, practices, and values. In many parts of the world, each civilization formed when people began coming together in urban settlement. Now we shall see the origin of civilizations. People who lived in villages for a long time made progress day by day. Some villages became wealthy by farming and rearing animals, and some became poor because of not getting good harvest. This led to the division in the society as rich and poor. The rich people started living separately from other villages, which consist of houses made of stones, well constructed streets, moats, walls, and temples, which are called cities. Also, these rich villages were named citizens. The rich citizens owned lands and poor villages cultivated them, but much of the harvest was taken by the wealthy people lived in the cities. Such kind of cities and citizens lived in them is called a civilization. People who lived in various parts of the world in different areas built their own civilizations. Do you know what the oldest civilizations are? Wait a minute. Let me think. Oh wait, I remember. Mesopotamian civilizations, Nile River Valley civilization, Indus Valley civilization, and Hong Ho civilization. Why do we need to find these millions of years old civilizations? That is because mathematicians lived in Mesopotamia civilization thought to circle has 360 degrees. We know that there are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. People who lived in Hong Ho civilization introduced the gunpowder, compass, paper, and the printing machine for the first time. For the first time, a rubber ball was produced by the people who lived in Maya civilization. These civilizations will be a major role for the benefits for the future world and the present world. Let's see some examples. A civilization is a process which reflects man's progress. Those who lived in the ancient civilizations invented things to make our lives easy and comfortable. Some information about several civilizations need to be further studied to understand what a civilization is. We will discuss some interesting information about the civilization in part 2. So that's all for today's lesson, and please watch part 2 for today's video, and hope you learned some things useful for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like. Until the next lesson, this is Dewli from Nature Kids. Bye.